You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this non-profit organization, as well as how to say more useful vocabulary, including from French, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. For reference, in French, it's said as Médecins Sans Frontières. Médecins Sans Frontières, meaning doctors without borders. You could say it in English more simply as médecin, médecin. I know it's a bit tricky. Médecins Sans Frontières. Médecins Sans Frontières. From French, Médecins Sans Frontières. I hope this is useful. Let me know in the comments, like this video if you found it useful indeed, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Merci. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.